Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today's video, I wanted to take you around my room and basically show you how I organize everything, how I decorate it, and just little things here and there. Lately, I've been watching a lot of organizing and room tours on YouTube, so I thought it would be cool to make a video like that. So please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and let's get on with the video. So the first thing I want to show you in my room is my little fish. I named it Bob the Drag Queen, and it's actually a betta fish. It's kind of like purple and blue, and it's really nice to actually wake up to a little fish in the morning and feed it. I really love having it in my room. And then next is this custom made shelf that I saw on Pinterest, and basically my boyfriend, who's a carpenter, he made it for me. I showed him that I liked it on Pinterest, and we sketched it out, and I said I want to put my makeup on it, so that's exactly what I did. So in this one little cubicle, I put some of my NYX cream lipsticks, and then at the bottom I tried to color coordinate some of my palettes, and at the top here I just put some little trinkets to decorate the shelf. So right next to that shelf, I actually have this huge window where I like to open my curtains because a lot of sun comes through and it really brightens my room. And then this dresser actually has, my first drawer is all electronic stuff. The second drawer, I just have all of my sweatpants and my tights. Then here I just have a lot more electronics, cameras and stuff like that. That's the exact same drawer. And then here is all my summer shorts. I have my workout shorts on the right, and then I have some of my nicer shorts on the left. And at the bottom, fun fact, my sister actually used to live in this room, but she moved out, so we just kept some of her stuff at the bottom drawer. Doesn't bother me at all. And then what's cool about this room is I actually have two closets. So I have one over here and one over there. My old room actually had one, and it was so small, I don't even know how I fit anything in it. So the way I've organized my closet is basically I put some of the longer stuff at the back and some of the shorter stuff at the bottom. So I have here a lot of my black dresses, colorful dresses, and a lot of my tops. And then there I have all of my purses. Most of them are super small because I'm not really a purse person. And then at the bottom here I have a lot of skirts, shorts, and tops. A lot of this is pretty much just like my summer stuff. And then here in the corner I have this little rack where I like to put my jewelry that I wouldn't really wear it every day. It's more like fancy jewelry and going out jewelry. And then at the top is just like a bunch of books and picture albums and stuff like that. A lot of it again is my sister's from when she moved out. And then right next to my closet on my dresser I have some everyday jewelry. I have this cute little guy that I got for Christmas, and I have two pictures of my sister and I from when we were kids and when we got older. And then here is the second closet. So in this closet on the left, if you're looking at the screen, that's pretty much storage on the top and whatever, and then really creepy attic. So anyway, on the right, there's a bunch of robes. There's a lot of comfy sweaters. I am a sweater fanatic. So I love having comfy sweaters. That's pretty much all I ever wear. And then on the left side, I have a bunch of fancy clothes in the back that nobody ever touches. It just sits there because we don't want to throw it out because it's nice memories. And then all here is nice jackets, and this one, oh my god, is so cool. I've never even worn it yet. And then I just have, oh look, more comfy sweaters. And at the bottom here, I have extra pajamas. I have sweatpants. And in the back, sorry it's a little bit dark, but I have all my heels, all my boots on a shoe rack. So I really love shoes and looking at them all organized. And then as we go to the other corner of my room, I have this really cute chair that my mom actually painted. I think it was like brown before she painted it black, and then she actually reupholstered the material onto the chair to match like the wallpaper and the black and white theme. And then this past Christmas, we had like a Secret Santa exchange between like all the cousins on my father's side. So basically, somebody in the Christmas exchange ended up getting a Walking Dead sketch, and I was so jealous. And because I love that show, and my cousin actually had another one, and he ended up giving me this one. And this is like Daryl from The Walking Dead. He's my favorite character. So he ended up giving me this sketch, and these sketches actually go for like hundreds of dollars. And my cousin was actually fortunate enough to work with a man who drew this, and he gave it to him for free. So that was a really nice gift, and I was so happy that he gave this to me. So in this drawer, I actually on top of it, I just keep my glasses, my little agenda, and this book I've been reading, which is actually a really good book, and it's pretty harsh sometimes, but it gets to the point, so it's a really good book. And yeah, so inside my drawers, I'm pretty sure this is from IKEA or something. So the first drawer, I just have my bras. Second drawer, I have my underwear. And my last drawer, I just keep all of my socks. So on top of my dresser, I actually have this nice rose that I got for Valentine's Day, and it's actually made from a copper pipe. My boyfriend made it for me, and he kind of tried to mimic like the whole Beauty and the Beast rose, and it's really beautiful. It was actually like, I couldn't believe that he made that. I thought it was from a store or something, because it's crazy how he even made that. Next, I just have this little ceramic heart where I keep my earrings, and then this little jewelry box where all my rings are. And then I still have a rose from Valentine's Day. I don't even know how it's still standing. So in this first drawer here, this is where is just my junk drawer. I keep my receipts and stuff like that. And this one on the left, I have all my work clothes, so it's all black. And then here I just have all my long sleeves. At the bottom is where I keep my like printed t-shirts with all like different random stuff all over them. And then on the other side, I just have going out t-shirts, I guess, with like no printed stuff on them. And then these entire 3 drawers are just like really thick, nice sweaters. So in my bottom drawer, I just keep my workout clothes and my tank tops. The middle drawer has my jeans, and my top drawer actually has my pajama pants and my pajama tops. And then this part is actually my favorite part of my room. All these pictures hanging up are pictures that I've taken of me and my friends or me and my family members, and it just feels really nice to wake up and see all these pictures of people who really mean a lot to me. And yeah, so I also love taking pictures. I have 2 Polaroid cameras, so it's just really fun to have these pictures here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video where you got to see my room and you got to see how I decorated and organized it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.